Hello everyone and welcome back to the Decentralized Bull Channel. Today we are going to talk about the recent updates for Bitcoin, technical analysis for Bitcoin, Ethereum and some altcoins. We are going to talk about my trades here that we are currently. Bitcoin trade 1.5k in the profits. AVAX trade went a little bit down, but I already took a little bit of a profit, so basically we're like at break even. Then we have the H-bar trade, which also went underwater. Yesterday it was in the profits over $500-600 and it went underwater. Then we have here Ethereum. Luckily, in the profits, as we can see here, Ethereum didn't drop with its Bitcoin drop as much as Bitcoin. So we might see some signs of an altcoin season. We will talk about it in this video, so make sure you stay tuned until the end. My DOGE video, currently underwater, 13k. I already took 2.2k here. It almost reached my profit taking zone, but it didn't reach it quite yet. So still waiting for that. Besides that, I'm still quite in profit with my other trades. Link trade 4k here in profit, Tau trade here 2k realized already, $600 unrealized, and we have here my Solana trade also 2.5k with both together. So we can see here we are basically break even here, so $12,000 realized and $12,000 unrealized in the negative, but I'm not worrying because I have very low liquidation prices on all of these trades, so quite good. Now it's also the weekend, so I'm not worrying at all because we can experience some low volumes and so on. For now, we can see here Bitcoin dropped 4.3% just in a matter of, I don't know, almost 4 hours. Here we can see it. We already starting to recover a little bit. So what I would like to see right now would be definitely a higher high, so somewhere around here. That would be great. And after that, I would look for a higher high here above this zone, which was a very big resistance. As we can see here, the 7k here, actually the 106 was also one resistance. So basically this whole zone here, I want to see a breakout above that and also a breakout above here. So after, we can expect a new all-time high for Bitcoin. For now, let's take a look at all the support zones that we are having on Bitcoin. Let's go over here to daily so we can see it more clearly. We can see here's a good support at 98k. Let's mark it down here. I don't think it's very likely that we go there, but let's mark it for now. And after that, the big support would be at 89k. So for now, if you want to go big on trades or on spot, I would go down at these areas. Maybe also the 100k where I opened my trade, because 100k is a very psychological number. So we might, turn that into a big support zone. So Bitcoin might never go below 100k. It's definitely possible. It's also possible that we go lower, but this is definitely in the room of imagination. So let's see what will happen in the future. For now, we have the weekend, so you have to be careful. Low volume, big volatility. So please be careful. Don't open too high leverage trades. Always make sure your liquidation price is quite low, and also have a stop loss and a take profit zone. Now let's take a look here at Ethereum. What we can see, we almost had a breakout here on Ethereum, but as we can see here, we are still in the same formation. Let's draw it here. We have this descending triangle here, from here to, let's actually do it here, from like this. So we can see here we have this descending wedge. Those wedges are usually breaking up to the upside. So usually they go like this, they building pressure, building pressure, building pressure, building pressure, and then they go to the top of the triangle here, or the wedge. And with that being said, we have a price target of $4,000. And unfortunately, we can see here we didn't have a daily breakout. We wicked above, so we kind of had a fake out of this triangle, but we didn't close above the daily candle, which is a little bit unfortunate. But this just means that we might see another consolidation here down to 3k area, and after that we might see some nice pump from this area, or maybe even on Monday. It depends a lot how the ETFs will open on Monday, if the market will start booming. I saw Trump just bought a lot of Ethereum again. The Trump administration or foundation or World Liberty, however you call it, his team bought some more Bitcoin, actually Ethereum today, and that's why I'm still very bullish. So let's see, we might see a nice breakout very soon. Maybe a little bit of a dip is still in the room here, but after that I definitely expect, like, the closer we get to the breakout point, to the end of the triangle, the stronger we're gonna bounce. Now what would I do with my Doge rate? Let's take a look at Doge. What is happening here with Doge? Actually, Doge looks not so bad. We can see here new highs forming, which is nice. We can see here good support forming at the 30 cents area. We jumped from this support many times, so I expect the support to hold. My liquidation price is way below, it's at around 20 cents for now, so I'm not worrying about my Doge rate. So you can see here the red lines are all my take profit targets. And yeah, I will take profits here at 34.7, also at 34.132. I will take some profits besides. Oh, actually, this is where I opened the trade some time ago, and I opened this trade actually way before. I opened it somewhere around here, and then we went down a little bit, and then we had a huge pump to the upside of around 41 cents when the Doge website was announced, and now we are consolidating down again, but the trend looks nice. The trend looks like it's creating higher highs now, so quite nicely on the daily. So if I would want to open a trade, I would open it from this zone at the 30 cents area, 30.5. Now, you have to be very careful when you use leverage, because you can easily get liquidated during these markets. Use always, if you're a beginner especially, try to start with like 2 or 3x leverage. Don't use too much capital, always until you're a professional and you figured out your strategy. Now, what else do we take a look at? Let's take a look at maybe Solana. As we can see, Solana also kind of a bull flag here, I would say. So looks quite nicely. So we have the pole, and here we have the flag building, and usually these flags also break out to the upside, so we might see a move to the $300 area very soon for Solana, which would be also very nice. Now, if you want to trade like you see me do here, my trade on Solana just around $1,000 in profits and 1,500 already realized in just 2 weeks. You can go to VX. Here in the description down below, you can find a link where you can sign up and where you get an exclusive bonus to VX. I definitely can say that VX is one of my favorite platforms on the market. They have over 700 tokens that you can trade. They have very good liquidity. They have a Bitcoin reserve, proof of funds, and much more. Very easy to use interface. You can also open your trades here, and do your technical analysis. This is what I love the most. They have all of the tools and indicators that you need from TradingView. And with that being said, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time. Peace.